Hello and welcome to another episode of RayJ Reviews. We're out here in Unity Park in Magnolia, Texas today, and we're going to experience the Mardi Gras celebration. The way we're set up out here, we've got the whole park is full of food vendors and craft vendors and things like that. In a few minutes, we're going to see the Zydeco Dots will be playing and entertaining the crowd. And they've got crawfish boiling, of course, and barbecue and all kinds of things. It's a really fun celebration. We had a nice little walking parade. They call it an umbrella parade that went around the park. And that was a lot of fun. They do that every year. Wings on again, that's great. I remember you.
Again. One more.
Huzzah! It's a lot of fun out here today. We're able to go out here and see a lot of crafts and a lot of local goods here, and a lot of food to pick from, and a lot of fried things, a lot of things in funnel cake stuff, really great stuff. And then one very unique one is called Snowballs, and I got to talk to the owner of that business, and well, let's go to that interview right now. So I'm here with Cherie's Snowballs, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what they are and what is unique about them. So what was the origin of this? This is actually a real thing that was started in New Orleans?
So the New Orleans style snowball was invented in 1936 by a gentleman that was a small grocer there in New Orleans. And it was during the Depression, so he noticed a guy down the road that was selling snow cones. And he decided that he wanted to improve on that. So he invented a wooden box with a motor on it and used block ice and would shave it. The same block ice that they used back in those days for the refrigerators,
right.
They would use that same block ice and he would shave it. It had a motor and a big blade on it, which is what I use in my trailer, except for it's the new and improved version. It's made out of steel and it's heavy duty.
Right.
But yeah, so it was invented in New Orleans by this man.
And what was his name? He had a name like the Wizard something?
Oh, the Snow Wizard, yes, and that's where he got his name, the Snow Wizard.
Oh, okay, okay. And how are these different than just what we call snow cones? You know, when you eat them, what's different about them?
So a snow cone, the ice is actually kind of crunchy. Or it is crunchy. The ice from a snowball is just like a snowball. Like if you were to go skiing somewhere, it melts in your mouth.
Oh, so it really is fluffy.
It's very soft and fluffy.
Excellent. Good. We might try one soon. Thank you.
For sure. Yeah.
Excellent. Thanks
Thank
a lot.
you so much.
All right. Well, that's all I have for you in this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the channel and subscribe and watch more RayJ reviews. But most importantly, I hope that you can get out and enjoy life.